Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a basic human anatomy and will provide a ultimate guide for the beginners. So whether you are a medical student or a nursing student or is someone that is calling a college of health technology, so this video it will help you more than your expectation. Because without understanding how human body it works, there is no way for you to diagnose a problem and to give a right treatment. So before we jump into the video, kindly click subscribe button and hit notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome back. As I mentioned before, in this video I'll be discussing a basic human anatomy and I will provide a ultimate guide for beginners. So don't forget that our body is made of the system, organ and tissue. So understanding the system it can help you more than your expectation if you are a student, as I mentioned before. The first one is skeletal system. This is a system that is made of by the 306 bone and it is classified into appendicular and axial skeleton. And it is given our body support and it helps our body to move from one place to another and it helps our body to produce a red blood cells and it helps our body to store a mineral salt in our bone. The next one is muscular system. And this is a system that is made up by a bunch of muscles and it allows our body to maintain its posture and it makes our body to produce a heat in our body to keep our body healthy. The next is respiratory system. This is another important system that is helping our body more than your expectation. So as a medical student or a nursing student, it is important for you to know how the system it is. This system is made of the lungs and the airways. This system is helping our body by the breathing in air and breathing out carbon monoxide. The next is digestive system. This system is responsible for the breaking down the food we eat into a smaller particle in our body. And this system is made up by gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, liver, and the stomach. And this system it helps our body to remove a waste product during a defecation. Last system on our list is urinary system. This is a system that is made of the kidney, urethra, urinary bladder, and ureter. And this system it helps our body to filter water and it helps our body to remove a waste product through urination. So these are the few systems and organs out of the human body. So don't forget that these systems they are working together in order to keep our body healthy and functional. So thank you for watching our video on understanding a basic anatomy, a beginner's guide. So don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your family and friends. Then subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative videos.